Here we have an iPad Pro 12.9. This is the second gen. It came in because it doesn't power on. I plugged the charging cable in, and what happens is it goes up to 0.9, 0, 0.4, 0, 0.9, 0, 0.40. So amps being drawn is constantly going up and down, and nothing is working. Battery is not charging, and the tablet is not turning on. Now, I tried a Tristar tester just to see if there's anything going on with the charging Flux cable or the Tristar chip, and Tristar tester shows a pass. It reads a pass. Let's test it together. Okay, and it's a pass. It's telling me that the charging Flux is good and the Tristar chip is good. The Tristar tester was wrong on many occasions, and I have a strong reason to believe that this could be a Tristar issue, even though it shows a pass on the Tristar tester. So what I'm going to do is change the Tristar chip to see if that will make any difference. The Flux I'm using here is Amtech 213. I have two syringes on the bench here, the 559 and the 213. I just use whatever syringe I pull first. Both of them are excellent. The 213 cleans easier, but it does have this unique smell to it, stronger smell than the 559. It starts out cloudy like this, and then it clears out as soon as heat touches the Flux. So let's apply some leaded solder onto those solder balls. Okay. Just give me 1 second. So let's grab the Tristar chip, and you can find those Tristar ICs on our website in batches of 5. Let's use Amtech 559 Flux. Passini. Okay, so the chip is making a connection. Now let's reflow it. Okay, we should be good. Big Boss quickly reassembled the board inside the iPad casing, and let's go ahead and try it. I have an amp meter here connected to a power bank, and right now we are getting 0.09. That's not good. Oh wait, he did not put the screw on the battery. Okay, so we have to press the battery connector down. And yes, 0.96. It's steady at 0.96, 0.97. So Tristar was the problem. That tells us the Tristar testers are not really 100% accurate. When in doubt, just change the Tristar chip and that may fix the problem. I'm glad this worked out. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and we'll do something else in the next video.